Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over what to expect on a back-to-back cruise. If you've been considering doing a back-to-back cruise and you're worried about the logistics, what happens when you get on, what happens when you get off, how does this whole process work, is it confusing? We've got everything you need to know, and I'm going to walk you through the process as it happens right now. So the first thing you're going to want to know is that you're going to get instructions in your room. We actually got an envelope that had our instructions in it, and it also had tickets that said transit passengers, and it told us exactly where to meet. Now for us, it told us to go ahead and meet in the Tuscan Grill. So we're going to head there. That's on deck 5. So we're going to head straight to the Tuscan Grill. And as we work our way back, I'll tell you, we have already checked in. I just wanted to see what the process was so you would know. But as we get there, basically, you're gonna check in with your room number. They give you brand new SeaPass cards for your new sailing. They also go ahead and bring you into the Tuscan Lounge, and then that allows you to sit there and relax. They had a small, light, kind of like continental style breakfast, basically just some pastries, milk, other things like that for you there, some coffee options and tea options. And then basically we're just gonna wait there for now until it's time to disembark. We have to wait until all the passengers that aren't back to back get off the cruise ship before we're allowed to continue with our process. So let's go do that.
A few moments later.
So it's about 9:30 and we got called to go ahead and move through. So we're gonna go through the process now, see exactly what'll happen. This is our first time, but everyone else should be off the ship now, and we're just doing the actual get off and get back on. So we'll see how that goes. Just tapped out through security. I'm heading off. So we went ahead, checked out. We're pretty much the last people off the boat. There may be a few behind us, or off the ship, I should say. But we're walking down the terminal port gangway here to get back inside. We'll see exactly what happens next. I'm assuming we'll wait for a little while. They'll have us clear security, and then we'll come back on once the ship has been cleared, because I do believe that the ship still has to be cleared before we can get back on, even though we're staying on board. So we'll find out this process and we'll get back with you. All right, cruisers, well, it was better than expected. All that happened was they walked us off. We went to security, did the immigration check with the facial recognition. Immediately, we were escorted back on board with the whole group all at one time. We already had been given our new SeaPass cards when we got to the Tuscan Grill initially. When we checked off the ship, they took our old ones, so you don't keep those, probably so you don't get confused. And then when you come back on, you just tap on and you're good to go. They immediately walked us back on, we're back on board. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. So it was a super fast process. From the time we got down there to the time we got back on board was probably 10 minutes total. It made the entire back-to-back thing super easy and super quick. So as you can see, Celebrity really made it very easy and convenient to be on a back-to-back cruise. They kept us informed the entire time. The one caveat that I can't cover for you is what happens if you book a different room, because we didn't do that. We booked the exact same room, so our stuff just stayed here. We walked off and got back on. If you did book a different room, your room steward is gonna move your stuff, but I don't know how long that takes or how soon your room will be ready. Because we booked the exact same room, we're able to come right back in the room as soon as we're on board and go back to sleep if we wanted. Hopefully you guys have found this video helpful. As you can see, it's super simple to do. So if you're considering it, go ahead and book one now, or have a travel agent like Amy book one for you. Speaking of, remember, you can always use the QR code right here or the link in the description down below to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you. As always, we appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you on the next one.